Hey, my YouTube friends. So this is actually a quick video I wanted to create to tell you guys, all those people who are vibe coding all the time, all you guys who love building applications and building systems with I wanted to share OmniRoute. Now, OmniRoute is a self-hosted AI gateway, and it actually allows you to connect all your different API providers into one single gateway IP address that you can self-host even on a Raspberry Pi. Right, so this is just a bit of information on OmniRoute and how I'm actually using it and why it's actually beneficial. Now, OmniRoute has several different providers that you can actually connect all those APIs to OmniRoute, and then OmniRoute will give you a single API that you can actually put into your harnesses and use it with your harnesses, right? So here's the actual OmniRoute website. As you can see, the whole key is to never stop coding, and that's really what it talks about. It has 339 providers and it gives you one endpoint. And it has an auto fallback, so it is smart and it automatically selects the right provider based on the use case, right? So this is basically what OmniRoute is all about. So it's one endpoint, never stop building. So you never hit limits really. I mean, you may eventually, but it lets you go on for a long time. You save up to 95% of tokens, $0 to start. It's production grade, one endpoint, and every tool works with it. Now, in a basic sense, it's really easy to deploy. All you need to do is run these commands. There are 3 commands and you don't have to configure much at all. When you do run it, you can just go to your local IP address or whatever IP address you're running it on with a colon, and the port that it runs on is 20128 right over here. So just go to localhost if you've hosted on your own computer on a Linux machine, and you can go to the localhost colon 20128 and you will be able to access it. You can also install it via Docker. You can also add OmniRoute to your VS Code. Once you install Omni Copilot extension, every OmniRoute model will show up in VS Code. Now here are a few examples of where it actually runs. You can use npm on your Linux machine. You can use Docker. You can use a desktop. You can install it on ARM, VS Code. I mean, the list goes on, right? So take your pick. I'm actually using Docker, so I recommend Docker since it's isolated. Now, if you wanted to install OmniRoute and you wanted to know what are the other options, I recommend going to the Docs tab right here. And when you do get to the Docs tab, it'll open another page and you'll have your options right here. Scroll down to the Docker Guide and click on Docker Guide. And here is a Docker guide on how to install OmniRoute. I've actually used the Docker Compose option, so just click on Docker Compose. Once you get to Docker Compose, this can get a little bit confusing. However, the one you want to use is Docker Compose Profile Base Up -D. This is the one you want to use for a basic installation. If you want the profile to install Claude Code, Codex, OpenClaw as part of your Docker Compose installation, you can select that one. And then the other ones also have a few options, but I've actually installed the Docker Compose Profile Base Up -D. Now, once you install OmniRoute, you can actually go to the IP address of the device you've installed it on, colon 20128. That is the port that OmniRoute can be accessed on. Right, so this is my installation. This is what I've installed. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is you can just follow the steps. It's really easy. You can create API keys. So that's the first thing we do is click on API keys. Now, once you click on API keys, you create an API key, and you can give the API key a name. And once you do it and you create the API key, you'll automatically get a key. Now, once you've created the key, copy it, go back to home, and you'll automatically get your IP address, and you can point your agent, whichever agent you're using, Hermes agent or OpenCode, OpenDesign, or whatever you're using, and you can point it to your URL. Now this is an OpenAI compatible URL, right? So it'll work with majority of your agents. And so you can just point it to yours. It's usually the IP address :port version 1. That's what it is. And so then you have your API keys and you point to that. And then this is where you add your provider. So once you've got that, you can connect it up to your agent, and then you can go add account in providers. You can go here, and this is where the magic actually happens. If you can have a look here, you've literally got a lot of different types of providers, right? So the first thing that I would actually do is go to the no auth option. Now these are all the providers that you can actually use even without any sort of auth, right? So literally this is out of the box. You don't even need to do anything. Literally what you need to do is connect it to your agent, and these will automatically be available. Now, as you can see, when they say the status is green, they are available. This one is not at the moment, but majority of them are available. Now, once you've looked at the no auth options, you can go to the free tier options. Now, as you can see, there are several free tiers that you can get free tokens from several of these providers. And really, the list goes on. It's a long list. So feel free to add these as well. Now I've only added one free tier. As you can see, it's just one, and I've got another 26 that I can actually add. And the one actually added is OpenRouter. Now as you can see, OpenRouter is connected, and it tells me there is one connection right over here. And these are all the models that I actually get with OpenRouter. There's a lot. Now, if you want to add another provider, all you need to do is select the provider, and you can say add connection. And this is for AWS, of course, so you need to go ahead and add an API key if you have one. And once you do that, once you add the API key, you will see that it will be connected to your OmniRouter or OmniRoute. Now, once you've set up your OmniRoute, you can go to your harness of choice. Over here, I'm using OpenCode for a moment, so I can go to my OpenCode settings. I can go to my models, go to providers, and what I've actually done is I've added a custom provider. So you can actually go ahead and say connect a custom provider, and here's where you add your provider details. Now here, for example, in OpenCode, you can give it a provider ID. So literally you can give it any name, give it a display name as well. The base URL is the one I showed you earlier. This is your base URL in OmniRoute, so make sure you copy this URL and go ahead and paste the base URL in OmniRoute. Paste the API key that you had earlier. Now for model, you just need to type OmniRoute Auto, give it the OmniRoute display name, and submit. And once you do that, OmniRoute will be connected to your OpenRouter. Just like you see in my OpenCode UI. Great, and once you've done that, as you can see, I have OmniRoute that I've selected, and I can be using OmniRoute, and it's set to auto, so it will automatically select the model based on the work that I'm actually doing. So that was all really for this video. I highly recommend using OmniRoute. The website is omniroute.online, and when you go there, it'll be really easy and you'll get all the details you need off their website. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more information on media technology and also AI. See you all in the next video.